What's going on, everybody? I had a couple requests for some in-progress metal work. So here you go. Freshly sandblasted. Lots of nice bare metal showing. Today I'm going to be fixing this problem area here on these cars. The battery tray area. It completely rotted out the lower apron. Top of the frame rail here is just destroyed from it, so we're going to replace that and keep going here. This thing's looking pretty good so far. This fender had so much Bondo, and it didn't even need any of it. Like, there's just a couple little dings in it. Everybody think Bondo makes everything straight, and you have to straighten the metal the best you can first, and then you just use filler to fill in any of the little imperfections. This car still has the factory lead right here. Clean that up real nice. Cowl's looking really good. Here's the old rat support. So today I'm going to be putting this metal in here, so give me a couple days, I'll post another video and I'll have this thing cleaned up even more, and we'll get some primer on it. Thanks for watching the video.